November 2020. Here is Särkiniemen katu.
Tie.
Not Särkiniemen, Särkiniemen katu.
Tie.
Särkiniementie actually. Probably Särkiniemivägen in Swedish, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's Särkiniemi. I have to check it out later. Was it which build number?
9.
9. Let's take SF. We're doing this in the opposite direction from F to I. There are some floors here. And the capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. And the interesting thing here is that to this machine room for this elevator, you can get through the staircase E. The orange doors here.
Yeah.
Orange interior, and it was made by ValmetSchlieren in 1973. Turned 45 years old in 2018, and the serial number is VS3250, and it's going to be expected in the next year, 2021. Because there are 6 of them here. I think one ride will be enough.
Yeah.
6 in 1. But it's amazing.
Yeah.
We have filmed 22 elevators in Lauttasaari today.
Yeah.
How long is? So far, there will be a little bit more maybe. We'll see what we can get inside. But of course not all of them have been easy to get into.
Yeah.
Especially those 1996 novel, tallest novel elevators in Finland, without any doors. Novel. Okay. Let's go to the staircase E.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Expected like yours. Mietin pushing.
Otherwise it's too long. It'll take too much time. Thank you very much for watching.
That's